Today we're going to take you to a small honey farm in ancient Olympia. The farm was passed down from generations to generations, where they will show you the secrets of honey production and other agricultural products from both past and present. The farm was off the beaten path a little bit. Kind of made me think we were in that movie, The Wrong Turn. But it ended up being a beautiful place. They first greeted us with guava juice, water, and this honey apple jelly.
Quince, Quince.
I'm gonna start with some words about the place for the beginning. We can have it from my grandparents. My grandparents just have big farms, big properties, the most of us. We have small farms like this. So back to my grandparents' time, all the villagers had to produce themselves their food and few products for the market for little money, not for much money. But it was okay.
We were shown a demonstration on honey bees and how they make the honey and the equipment they use. These are beeswax. They get put in this barrel and turned manually. These are some of the old school ways, but they are still in use here in Greece. After the demonstration of how to make the honey and the equipment and all that, on the other side of the house, they have a museum set up that has all the information on the process and all of the old stuff that they used back in the early decades. After touring the museum, we came outside and there was a big area that they had all kinds of tables, and we were able to go down and taste the homemade honey and the authentic Greek pastries. And then they also have a store that you could purchase stuff and send it back to the States or wherever you're from. And what would be a honeybee farm without all these amazing flowers? Everywhere you look, there were beautiful flowers of all kinds all over the place. This was kind of neat. It was actual honeybees and they're working, and it shows the beeswax and how they make honey. I hope you enjoy this short video on how to make honey and the honeybee farm in Olympia, Greece. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And remember, it's up to you to make it fun and make it yours. We'll see you the next time.